Hey guys, you're welcome. Today I'll be showing how you make this soft, lovely, simple cake. If you've not baked before, come and sit down and learn this easiest way of making cake. Before 15 minutes, this cake batter is ready and it will bake for not up to 25 minutes. You are done. Yes, I know I want you and your family to enjoy cake this time around, and I will show you every beautiful way to spice up this beautiful cake. See, don't miss out. Don't you ever miss out. Every woman needs to try this. All you need is butter or margarine. You need flour. I'll place the ingredients list on my screen below. So make sure you watch to the end of this video. I'm using plain flour for this. So I need to measure my flour with cup here. See, the right way to measure flour with cup is leveled cup. Please don't allow it to be full. Yeah, take my time to measure out my flour before I continue. I melt the butter a little bit for easy mixing. Like I said, before 15 minutes, this cake batter will be ready. So I don't want to stress you. Whether you have mixer, you don't have mixer, you are going to bake cake in your house and it will come out beautiful. Yes, you heard me. So right away, measure your flour very, very well. Very important. I want you to get the correct measurement. Very important. If your measurement is correct, you will not have anything to worry about. No panic in this recipe. It's very easy. Don't forget that. So right away, you can see the way as if I'm remeasuring everything again. Taking my time to remeasure to be sure we got the correct measurement. Yes. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. In this channel, I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, I do different pastries I know you will love. You heard me. A lot of pastries. I have more than 600 videos you will love, especially pastries and cakes, different recipes you can try from the comfort of your home, and I promise you, you will not miss out. Yes, you heard me, you will not miss out. It will come out beautiful. Right away, you add in your baking powder. You can see how I'm measuring. Everything is at level ground. Make sure it's out on level ground before you put it. At step, make sure you combine the flour with the baking powder very well and you set aside. It's time to crack the egg right now. Very important. Since I'm in the UK, I've not seen bad eggs. So please, if you are in any African country that is very hot, please crack one after the other and make sure to get the bad ones out before you spoil your main mixture. So right away, in a clean bowl, pour in your melted butter for me. Yes, I've already melted it a little bit. If you want to melt everything, fine, but just melt it a little bit, because if I stir it within 1 minute, everything will be fine. You see me writing, yes, I created this recipe at the spot. As I'm making this cake, I'm creating this recipe. So that's the way I created it and prepared it the same day. So don't miss out trying this recipe. I just added my vegetable oil right away. You saw me? So I'm adding my sugar. I'm putting less sugar. Yes, you heard me, less sugar. If you're putting yours, you can add half cup of sugar. You can add 1 full cup of sugar, because I know a lot of people love sugar, but I wanted it less because me, I want to eat the cake and I want my children to also enjoy. So right away, I will mix. You can see the butter, how my this thing is looking, and I will add in my vanilla flavor. That's vanilla flavor I just added. I will add in all the eggs. Take my time to mix gradually, taking my time to mix everything. Very important. Like I said, this is an easy mixture. Whether you bake, you are a baker or not a baker, my dear, this recipe, you can try it. I don't finish. Right now, before I started adding my flour, I have started preheating my oven. Don't forget that. Before you start mixing, start preheating your oven. You can see I'm adding flour. As I'm adding flour, I'm adding my milk. So right away, I will add the remaining milk every the measurements you see on the screen at the beginning of the video. Take my time to mix gradually. Somebody will say, are you sure this is a cake? You saw the beginning of the video, the outcome is beautiful. Yes, you heard me. If you want something simple, you're craving for cake, you don't know how to mix it, you don't want to waste your time creaming, please grab this recipe immediately and try it. I know you will come back to thank me later. A little twist to our lovely recipe. I added my golden syrup and black charcoal. These two takes is a game changer when it comes to vanilla upgrade. You heard me, especially when you're doing wedding cake, fruited cake. Use them. Game changer number one. So right away, I tested. I tested it. Yes, it's good to test what you're cooking to know whether you are on track. Right away, it's time to bake. I'm satisfied. It's time to bake. This is an easy bake, no waste of time, just for my cakes. The toppings, you can use some fruit, dry fruits, raisins, or you can also use chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, depending on what is available in your home, and you enjoy this big, lovely goodie. So right away, I love what I'm doing. I spread out the batter for easy baking. If you have, depending on the quantity of the batter, that will make your cake bake faster. This cake was ready around 25 minutes. So you can see I use what do you call it? Raisins, dry fruits, and I use chocolate chunks for the last one. I have up to 3 different pans. Like the way, see the outcome. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God. Somebody will say, are you sure? Yes, it's beautiful. It doesn't waste time to make. Look at the back. No bonbon. Just somebody, please tell me you're going to try this recipe. You can use this for your birthday cake. Yes, you heard me. You can use it for any type of cake you want to use. This recipe is tasting so yummy, lovely. If you and your family just want to eat simple cake fast, this is the best recipe to try out. You want to bake cake for your children, this is the best recipe to try out. No street thing, nothing street about this recipe. Somebody tell me you're gonna try this recipe. See the outcome. So soft, you can see. It's so soft. You know Tom Bonso. It's so soft, so beautiful. Looking so attractive. Tell me you're gonna try this. Yes. And don't forget to like this video. Give me thumbs up in the comment section. The comments what you love about this cake. And feel free to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And don't forget, don't watch only this video and go away. Go and check out all my beautiful recipe and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all. Look at the chocolate side. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Make sure you try this. Thank you. Bye bye.